specifically by Justice Bahati for the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Kanja, to be present personally in court today, along with the Director of the CID and the other state officers specifically mentioned in the petition. Today, these people made a no-show, but Justice Bahati is again very clear that Inspector General of Police must appear in person on the 27th, is it? 27th of this month. In the meantime, 2 abductees, Mr. Mbisi and Kevin Muvomi. Kevin was added as the 8th petitioner applicant, that they similarly also receive and get to know their liberty. This is why we are here. And we know it is not just the 8 now, but according to the Kenya Human Rights Commission, over 80, actually 82, have been abducted between July and now. So what we have also agreed and we're going to ask the Kenya National Human Rights Commission to do is to also give all these names in the amended affidavits. We are not going to let this matter go. We gave our pledge as the loyal opposition that we will remain with the people of Kenya. And 2025 is going to be action year. Oftentimes we've been criticized by some of our opponents. Say, what are you offering? We are literally here on the ground to assure Kenyans that will ensure the wheels of justice continue to move. Albeit, we are aware of the other concerns about the shortcomings in the judiciary. By the way, I should have added the name of Yusuf Hassan Ahmed. Yeah? Zainab? Yeah, Hussein. Yeah, Hussein Ahmed was also been missing. And his matter is before Justice Mwita. So we will ensure. Yeah, this is a missing person. Is a member of the county assembly in Wajir. No explanation whatsoever. So, of course, we have here some of the ones who have known their liberty. Mr. Kavuli here, and we saw the others. Billy Mwangi, his father, also came. And this pressure is the only thing these abduction squads of the chief abductor know. You get abducted, and then some of the sympathizers, underrating the intelligence of Kenyan people, have the audacity to say these people abducted themselves in order to cause maximum pain to their families. And others seem to know who are the abductors. The Mount Kenya jurists have made an application so that these people will also appear to shed light, particularly all those who are at this funeral event in Bungoma. And they know themselves. The majority leader, Kimani Ichung'wah, seems to know. He has very useful information on who is abducting who in this country. And that the list is known. Mzee Atoli seems to think that Kenyans can abduct themselves. You also should come and give evidence on how these people have been abducting themselves. That's what I call abuse of the intelligence of the Kenyan people. So 2025 is going to be a year like no other. We will make appearance as often as is necessary to guarantee the liberty of the Kenyan people. and nobody is above the law. So we had very strange representations by Counsel Nyamodi for Inspector General saying he was required in a very urgent matter of national security. Now, we will not hear any of that going forward. So, wanted to assure Kenyans, we are with you, but God above is with this nation, and we will make sure that those who believe not in the rule of law, but in the law of the jungle, will have no space in this country. We'll call them out, and we said, this is all Mr. William Ruto is doing. He himself admitted in Homa Bay, said we will stop the abductions. So we hope that nobody gets abducted anymore.